Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wired and I am at the grand launch of the brand new OnePlus 6 here in Mumbai today. And this is the all new OnePlus 6 in my hand. This is the black color, midnight black, and this white color. White color is the beauty. So OnePlus 6 is really making quality phones, and in this video we'll check out the first look of the OnePlus 6. So guys, this is the all new OnePlus 6 and this is silky white edition. It has pearls in it and you can see the shine. I loved this color, that's why I picked up this unit for the review. Although there are two more colors available. One is midnight black, which is all-time favorite, and there's one more variant of black, but the white one looks quite unique. And these are the specs. We'll go through them in detail with the phone. So this is the other color of OnePlus 6, black, and this is white one. Can you just see the glass back? It's very pretty, very shiny. It has like S formation kind of stuff here. If you see in proper lighting, it looks gorgeous. Both the handsets look so nice and pretty. If we talk about the design of the phone, it looks quite stunning and classy. This frame makes it more classier, and this 3D kind of slanted panel gives it a very edgy look. You see can you see these lines which are running to metal, and this is glass and this is glass. This is quite a toughened glass made of multiple layers of glass. Very smooth, and in the white one you cannot see any fingerprints here. So we see on the top there's this earpiece, 16 megapixel front camera, and on the right side there's this alert slider in which you can customize it. This is the power button, and here is the volume rocker. So here is the hybrid SIM tray slot, these curved edges, and the bottom there's a speaker grill, C-type charging port. No, they have not missed out this, which is my personal favorite. This is the 3.5mm audio jack, and this is a mic. On the top there's again the noise cancellation mic. Let's talk about the back. Totally stunning. The camera has been placed now in the middle, and it's a dual camera setup of 16 plus 20 megapixel with a LED flash and this oval shaped fingerprint sensor, OnePlus logo. If we talk about the display, it's a massive display of 6.28 inches. It is one of a kind display, typically bezel-less. Like you can see how thin the bezels are. There's a notch on the top in between, and camera and the earpiece has been placed very properly so that the notifications are not hidden at all. It's a 19:9 aspect ratio full display. Let's talk about the software. Go to the settings in about phone. This phone comes with Android Oreo 8.1 and optimized Oxygen OS. Currently I'm holding the 8GB model. There is one more 6GB model. So there's a combination of 6 plus 64 and 8 plus 128. So currently you can see it's 8 plus 128 here. GPU is Adreno 630 and the CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 octa-core 2.8 GHz processor. So Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 is an amazing processor. Battery is 3300 mAh with dash charging. Let's check out the camera. So it has a dual camera of 16 plus 20 megapixel combination. Very responsive, and here you can see the options of HDR, aspect ratio, flash. So other modes are video, photo, portrait. You can click amazing bokeh effect pictures, depth effect, you can see. And not to forget, it has OIS as well, and EIS was there always. So let's check out the front camera. Wow, it looks amazing. The front camera is 16 megapixel with an aperture of 2.0, and yes, it has EIS. So you can see right now it is on the portrait selfie mode, so I can create amazing portrait selfies. And let's click a picture. Nice. So the modes are photo, video, and here you can find the options of HDR, aspect ratio, and front flash. This is of course the beauty enhancer. So this was a quick look of the OnePlus 6, and it will be available at a price range of 34,999, 6GB plus 64GB variant on Amazon from 21st of May. And the 8GB plus 128GB variant will be available for 39,999. So that's it for this video. We'll be back soon on another video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.